Okay, so this is the next lab here. So this lab is going to cover port security on the LAN and also routing. So if you're understanding sub interfaces, virtual LAN interfaces, you'll be able to get this pretty quick. But what you want to be able to do right now, if you haven't messed with virtual PCs, so if you do a show IP, you're not going to have any IP addresses at the moment. But if you do a IP DHCP, our goal is to be able to reach the DHCP server to acquire an IP address. Now with the other computers, you should be able to. It should give you an IP address from the router server and you should be set. But if not, this is what you're going to come into troubleshooting. So this will be a fun one here for just a very simple low-end impact when it comes to restoring services on this lab.